if I talk about my experience with CK Birla, Dr. Rachita, I must say the experience was very great. I mean she explained each and every procedure. The staff was super helpful, and the results also are amazing. So I'm very happy. So I would glad, or I would definitely recommend CK Birla for a best health institute in Gurgaon, because it fulfills our needs, right? It's all about happiness, which this institute gave us. Dr. Rachita, especially each and every procedures, she explained me. If we have any doubt, during the process we had a lot of doubts, but the staff, they explained me each and everything, the procedure, the pricing and all that. So it was so great. So I will just say, just if you're looking, to get IVF done, so CK Birla is the one. That's it. Thank you so much.